Publishing is an amazing way to celebrate student achievement, but that's not all. When your class publishes, they will be entered into the one and only National Book Challenge. Each year, this incredible contest honors 3 winners and 50 finalists from the thousands upon thousands of submissions from classrooms across the country. All finalists and winners will receive a certificate featuring their book cover, plus up to 50 finalists will be selected and awarded a $50 Amazon.com gift card. The third place winner will receive a $500 school grant. The second place winner will receive a $1,000 school grant. The first place grand prize winner will receive a $5,000 school grant. Think your class has what it takes? Our judges are looking for these qualities: illustration, the bolder the better; originality, let your students' imaginations run wild; storyline, cohesive story or each student tells their own. You decide. The countdown is on. Winners and finalists are announced each year on June 15th. We can't wait to see your proud author's entry into our National Book Challenge.